Hello and welcome to IC Project video tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to get to know how to add a project in IC Project. This is one of our first videos, so before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Don't forget to drop a comment and feel free to ask me any questions that you like. So, okay, let's go to the project module section where we add a project. So we click this tab, we basically name the project. So for example, IC project implementation. And then we might want to go to the advanced options because we want to plan the date and the start date and the end date of the project. It's connected with one great functionality in ICP because this time reference is going to be shown in a Gantt chart. So any type of divergence inside the project is going to be shown. So this is going to be the baseline of the project. So it's a great functionality. Then basically you might want to add a number, and then here you add a contractor because in ICP methodologically we run projects for particular contractors, and if you choose a particular contractor, then you can scale your projects because we have a inbuilt CRM where you're going to be able to see how many projects, what people took part in a project, and how many projects you basically created for a particular contractor. Is really great functionality. I'm going to talk about it in greater length in the CRM section module. So then yet another great functionality for IC project, it's the status of the project. So you can have a project which is open, so in real time the system is going to send notifications to all of the users, all of the participants of the project. But however, if you want to plan ahead, you might want to use this project in preparation. It means that you're going to be allowed to create a project scaffolding as the structure of the project without the system sending the notifications to the user. So the project manager is going to have this freedom to plan without bothering anybody from the company or outside of the company, for that matter. Then you might want to add tags. So for example, if I run make projects for particular, areas of my country, I might want to label them, tag them as, for example, Southwest or Northern Eastern region. So it's going to be help you to, basically to search it, right? Okay. And then you might want to add a description, of course. And here is quite an interesting option and pretty much self-explanatory, because users can remove only tasks they created themselves, right? So they cannot delete other people's tasks, because in ICP we work mutually on a Kanban board with other users. Templates, another great functionality, creating templates. So you can basically add a project using, for example, this predefined by me template. So basically we just need to save this project, and then the system is going to ask me whether I want to work on a task-oriented, so simple project based on Kanban boards, or perhaps I would like to work on more advanced functions like Gantt and financial module. So we might want to present this option, and then the system asks me what's going to be the next stage, the first stage of my project. So analysis, right? Market analysis, for example, market Poland, for example, or USA, right? You just save it, again, stage open or in preparation, and we just save it, right? And then we have our first stage of the project. So this is an advanced structure of the project, and it's going to allow you to have this one higher level of organization, and it is the analysis market USA. And then we proceed to adding a Kanban board, for example, right? So for example, northwest, right? Okay. We defined it, give it a temporal reference again, give it a certain, we might want to add a certain type, and we just save this project, Kanban board. And there we go. We've just created a structure in ICP. As you can see, the name of my project, so the top, going from the top, is IC project implementation. This is my project. Then I created the first stage, a stage of the project, and then here I created a Kanban board in which I can basically add tasks right here. So that's it. Basically, we've just created a project. One more thing I can show you. You can basically in the editing option, you might want to add a specific category, and it's an option that is predefined by yourself in the setting option. So you just add a particular category of the project. For example, internal project. You just save it, and it's a great filtering option in this section that it will basically allow you to create a portfolio, and I'm going to discuss it in further length later on, but have a look at it right now. Let's see, internal project. Yeah, so, and this is the one that we've just created, and it allows us to see it in different views. So this is a list, tile, and have a look, Gantt view. So basically this is my view. Let's zoom in, and we can see the baselines right here and the actual state of the project. So great option for you. Let's have a look at it again. And yeah, so this is how we created the project. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Have a great day. Take care.